Hi everyone, welcome to Phrase It Friday. My name's Alex. I'm the founder and developer of Phrase It, the English language card game that helps you improve your English through practicing phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are used in about 30% of how we talk as native English speakers. Now, I went through all 70 of these in all of my other videos, so you can go back and watch all the other Phrase It Friday videos to practice your phrasal verbs with this Phrase It deck. You can get this on Amazon and click the link below. All right, are you ready for your new lesson? So I'm developing a new Phrase It 2 expansion, and I hope to have it available this fall. But right now, I put it on cards like these to help you. So the next most common phrasal verbs we're going to learn today with Phrase It Friday are get up and clean up. Okay, so when I say get up, what does that mean in English? Well, get up means maybe I'm in a lower position and I have to get up physically. Usually this is with a physical thing in my body. So I'm sleeping, and you know when you're sleeping, beep, 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 beep. You know, you push the alarm. I've got an alarm behind me here, you can see right there. You push the alarm, beep, and you wake up, right? The alarm wakes you up. But get up is actually physically standing like this. You get out of bed, you get up. So let's say that right now. Get up. Good. Now let's say the past tense. So the past tense of get up is got up. Got up. Let's say that one more time. Listen and say get up. Got up. Great job. Okay, the next one is clean up. Clean up. So when I clean up something, I clean it. You know, just like the word clean. But clean up often means like, it can mean even pick up, you know, but pick up is like to lift. It can mean to lift, or it can mean to clean. Clean up usually only means like to organize something. So if I have many messy papers, I have a lot of things on my desk, or my kitchen has many dishes everywhere, there's toys all over the floor, I need to clean them up, or I need to clean it up. And so in English, when we say clean up, sometimes we'll put the pronoun here. Clean it up or clean that up. So that's a word in English for clean up and get up. Past tense for clean up is cleaned up, not cleaned. It is cleaned, C-L-E-A-N-E-D-U-P, cleaned up, not cleaned, cleaned. So you just go from the N to the D sound. Listen and repeat. Clean up. Past tense. Cleaned up. Cleaned up. Great job. One more time. Get up. Clean up. To improve your English and to practice more of these phrasal verbs, you can get the Phrase It deck and my book. Clicking the link below on Amazon.com, you can get these. Or you can go to my website, www.eslwithpurpose.com, watch some videos there, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this with your friends, or you can take my brand new online English course called English on the Street. Click the link below to try my online course. You can try my online English course for $2. For 2 days, you'll have access to everything for 2 days for only $2. After that, it's only $197 for the whole 8-week course. And after you take my class, though, you will get a certificate of completion. You'll have to pass my test, but once you do, I'll give you a certificate of completion. So, if you have any English questions, comment below, subscribe, share, check out my online course, and remember to practice get up and clean up. When do you get up? What do you clean up? Comment below. I want to know. Thanks, and I'll see you at the next Phrase It Friday.